Get ready to transform your home into the coolest spot on the block. Imagine endless delicious, icy treats perfect for family fun, backyard parties, or just a refreshing moment. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to perfect homemade slushies with your very own machine. Hey everyone, and welcome to a world of frosty delight. Are you ready to beat the heat and become the ultimate party host or the coolest parent on the block? Making amazing slushies at home is incredibly easy, and we're here to show you exactly how. First things first, let's talk about your delicious base. You can use chilled juice, soda, or even a dedicated slushy syrup. For the best results, always start with cold ingredients. This helps your machine work its magic faster and more efficiently. Some machines might even benefit from a little ice, so always check your specific model's manual. Experiment with different flavors to find your family's favorite. Now, let's get your fantastic slushie maker ready for action. Ensure all parts are sparkling clean and properly assembled. Securely place the canister, attach the lid, and lock everything into place. Safety and a clean machine make for the best slushies. It's time to pour your chilled mix into the machine. Next, select the perfect mode for your frosty creation. Most machines have dedicated slush or frozen drink settings. If yours has adjustable settings, consult your manual for optimal freezing times. Then, simply hit start and let the incredible transformation begin. Watch as your liquid turns into a delightful, icy treat. Now comes the exciting part, the wait. Depending on your machine and mix, this can take anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes. But trust us, every moment is worth it for that perfect, icy consistency. Keep an eye on it, you're looking for that ideal slushy texture. It's slushy time. Your perfectly frozen treat is ready to be enjoyed. Pour it into colorful glasses and get creative with garnishes. Add fruit slices, fun straws, or even tiny umbrellas for that extra festive touch. Grab a spoon, take a sip, and savor the moment. These are perfect for any occasion, from a quiet afternoon to a lively gathering. Cleaning up is an absolute breeze, so you can get back to the fun. Simply unplug your machine, disassemble the parts, and rinse them with warm, soapy water. Give the base a quick wipe down, and you're all done. A clean machine is always a happy machine, ready for your next slushy adventure. And there you have it. Making delicious, refreshing slushies at home is truly that easy and incredibly rewarding. Imagine the smiles on your kids' faces or the cheers at your next party. Don't wait to bring this fantastic fun into your home. Ready to become the ultimate slushie master? Hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing home tips, and share this video with friends and family. Check out the links in the description for our top recommended slushie machines and start your frosty journey today.